Hello friends. This is Ricky and you are watching Vacant Wallet. In this video I'll be demonstrating that how can you repair a broken Mi charger. I have encountered an issue in which the charging pin, that is the power connector, is broken. It happened when I was plugging in the power brick into the switch socket and suddenly, it fell on the floor. To open this adapter, I'm using a knife and hammer first. Just try to put the point of the knife into the border and hit it with hammer like me. Having a guide from this video, you can repair the broken charging pin or socket of almost any charger. So, when the hit and trial method didn't work, I tried to put the adapter in boiled water thinking that it might melt the glue inside it. But, all in vain. Moreover, it degraded the plastic of the charging brick. Also, my second pin got broken as I was trying to open it. As both of the pins are wasted, I reverted back to hit and trial method. Now, I'm gonna be little soft and use a test pin and pliers. After struggling a lot, I was able to remove the upper lid. See? It is not easy to open a charger, but also, not impossible. Seeing these two pins? These have to be pulled out as we won't be requiring them. You'll understand later in this video. You can see that after removing both of the pins we have holes in the lid. Here I'm gonna insert new pins from a 2-pin plug which you can get from your nearby electrical shop in 5 to 10 rupees, which equals to 15 US cents. Now you can see that the brackets in the circuit are not letting the lid in. For this we have to remove the brackets from the circuit by doing our own makeshift. Now, I'm gonna pull out the PCB and unsolder both the brackets from the circuit. Now, take two wires of equal length and strip each of them from both the ends by 0.5 centimeters. Then apply flux to all the stripped ends of wires and solder them a little. Be very safe while soldering and take in account all the safety measures. It is a good practice to do this sort of repair jobs on a table where you can keep things in a safe manner. I'm holding the wires and PCB in my hands while soldering so that you can get a close look of what I'm doing. You don't do like this. Be safe. Now, solder one end of each wire onto the PCB from where you had taken off the brackets. Now, I'm covering the dents on the charging brick with the help of pliers. Putting back the PCB into the adapter casing. Now, apply flux onto the ends of two pin plugs you just replaced. Then, do some soldering onto them. After that, solder both the wires on each part of 2-pin plug. If you don't have soldering iron, you can omit soldering by using a little creativity. Assemble the charger with the help of super glue or Fevikwik. But before that we have to test the charger. Voila! It worked. The charger is up. Found this video helpful? Do like it and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press bell icon to get most of us. Thanks for watching. This is Ricky from Vacant Wallet signing off.